Welcome to channel Zobotronics, and in this video I'm gonna show you the simulation of intrusion alert alarm on the Tinkercad using Arduino, PIR sensor and a buzzer. So let's get started. So this is the screen of Tinkercad. I have connected the components. Now I will show you how I connected it. So there are 3 pins in PIR sensor. First, we have connected it in the A0, that means analog pin of Arduino. The second pin, we have connected it to 5 volt for power, and third pin is connected to ground. And here it is a buzzer. So the buzzer's positive pin is connected to the 5 volt of Arduino, and the negative pin is connected to NPN transistor, to the collector of the transistor. We have to connect this transistor because buzzer needs more current, and that current cannot be provided by Arduino, so we need a transistor to supply that current. And we have connected the resistor to the base, which is of 1k ohm, and another terminal is connected to 8th pin, D8 digital pin of Arduino Uno. The emitter pin is connected to the ground of Arduino, and one LED is also connected, and it will glow when the intruder comes in the range of PIR sensor. So the LED is connected to pin number 13, digital pin of Arduino Uno, and second terminal is connected to the resistor of 330 ohms, which is current limiting resistor, and other terminal of resistor is connected to the ground. So this is the circuit, and now I will show you the simulation. This circuit you can build using components listed here. There are many components and it can be built easily. And let me show you the code. So this is the code. The buzzer pin is connected to 8, LED pin is 13, PIR pin is A0, and sensor value will be low at initially it will be low. So in void setup we have connected a buzzer pin as output. We have taken LED pin as output and PIR pin as an input. So as PIR will give the input whenever it will detect the intruder in its range. So in void loop we have set the sensor value to digital read, and it will read the PIR output from the pin number A0. So if the sensor value will be high, then the buzzer will be on, and digital write LED pin will be high, means LED will glow, and delay of 100 milliseconds is given, and if no tone, then it will be given to buzzer pin. And then if LED pin is low, the delay will be 100 milliseconds. Else no tone, buzzer pin and digital write LED pin low, hence buzzer and LED will not be turned on. And as we have declared here, delay of 100, after 100 milliseconds the buzzer and LED will be automatically turned off. So I have mentioned comments over here so that you can read it easily, and I will be giving this code in the description. So now I will start the simulation. So the simulation is started, and this this connector is connected to 5 volt to the Arduino, and now I will click a tap on PIR sensor, and this is the intruder. As soon as I will start, and after 100 milliseconds it automatically stops. So let me show you the range. So this is the range of PIR sensor. So this is how it will work. The buzzer starts and the LED also moves. You can see it here. Now I will stop the simulation, and this is how the intruder system works. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video and share to your friends.